Grace is back. Today, I prepare for very cute and easy question. The question is from JEE Advanced 2023, paper 1, question number 17. The question is kind of, relatively speaking, easy and ordinary question, but I think you have a right to solve easy and cute questions sometimes. This is a JEE's present. Enjoy it. Okay, let's start. Now, complex number and then complex conjugate, their story. Let Z is A plus BI. Of course, A and B real number, you know, right? And so conjugate of Z is A minus BI, of course. And then use a given equation, very easy. Oh, modulus, okay. Z modulus, modulus of Z, you know, square root A squared plus B squared. And then substitute here. So cube. Okay, so A squared plus B squared, then square root A squared plus B squared, then continuously 2 times Z squared. Okay, we know Z squared, perfect square. So A squared minus B squared plus 2ABI. So times 2A squared minus B squared plus 4ABI, then 4 conjugate of Z. So 4A minus 4BI minus 8 equals 0. Cool. So, and then separate real number and imaginary number. Like this part, the blue part is a real number combined all together. So, oh, this is a real number. This is also real number. Oh, too long, right? So quickly, A squared plus B squared, square root A squared plus B squared, then plus 2 times A squared minus B squared, and then continuously 4A minus 8. Oh, long. Then plus imaginary number here and here. So 4AB minus 4BI equals 0. Oh, A and B real number. So these are all real number, right? The red lines are real number. Therefore, to be 0, it should be 0. So, oh, this is sure. Okay. Therefore, simple factoring for BA minus 1 equals 0. So B can be 0 or A can be 1. But read the question very carefully. Always. Here, let the imaginary part of Z be non-zero. Oh, given information is very, very, very important. Non-zero, thus B cannot be 0. Oh, so erased, deleted. Thus, we have A is 1. Okay, use that. A is 1 now. So the longer real part is now 1 plus B squared, square root 1 plus B squared plus 2 times 1 minus B squared plus A is now 1 minus 4. Equal 0. Cool, isn't it? Cool, very cool. And then how can you solve that? Well, this part, just this part, 2 minus 2b squared minus 4. Aha, that is minus 2b squared minus 2b squared minus 2. Aha, factoring is possible here, the black part. So minus 2 times b squared plus 1. Oh, we can continue factoring. So b squared plus 1 first, then square root 1 plus b squared minus 2 equals 0. But now remember, b is a real number. So b squared plus 1 cannot be 0. Thus, we have this information, square root 1 plus b squared minus 2 can be 0. Therefore, square root 1 plus b squared is now 2 perfect square. 1 plus b squared can be 4. B square is now 3 at last. So b can be plus minus square root 3. Oh, okay. What is the next step? At last we have the name of Z. The name of Z. Oh, what's your name, Z? Hey, Z, what is your name? Yeah, my name is 1 plus minus square root 3i. All right. So, we can continue our question. What is the question then? Oh, matching. This is a matching question. So modulus of Z, what is that? Modulus of Z can be square root 1 plus 3. Oh, which is, 2. And then square. So 4, like this. How about the difference, Z and conjugate of Z? Difference? Z and conjugate of Z, the difference? Well, literally difference, get the difference, which is 2bi, right? But now we have B. B is a plus minus square root 3, right? 2bi, but now B can be plus minus square root 3. So 2 plus minus 2 square root 3i, but get the modulus and the perfect square. Modulus is just plus 2 square root 3, and then perfect square, 12. Good. Very good. And then what's next? Okay, modulus of Z squared plus like blah blah. We have modulus Z squared, which is 4. This part is just 4, and then sum. Z and conjugate of Z, a sum. Okay, sum. Oh, just 2a, but we have a, right? Oh, just 2, and then modulus square is just 4. 4 plus 4, which is 8, like this. Cool. And then finally, Z plus 1. Okay, Z plus 1 is more like we have Z. We have the name of Z. Z plus 1, what is that? 2 plus minus square root 3i. Get the modulus. Okay, square root 4 plus 3, square root 7. And then perfect square, just 7. Matching is done. Okay, so P can be number 2, Q can be 1, R can be 3, S can be 5. Oh, perfect. Bye-bye. It's a kind of long, right? But the easy level. You can do it. Cheer up. Bye-bye.